preferred orientation towards parties in Turkey now. But of course, we trying to benefit from the Turkish trial and experiment in the last 10 years. It's a quite distinguished, famous experiment. It has taken Turkey to a new position, of course.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Our current ruling party, AK Party, is likened to the Christian Democrats of the Christian world.
Yes.
So that's why.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's beneficial for us. We are looking into it now and see how can we benefit from it.
Yeah, because it's worked really well.
And running our party affairs, and also dealing with others and making coalitions, and we are looking into it now and benefiting from it.
One of the things that perplexes me most is that you, as the FJP, made a statement saying that you don't want to come to power. You don't want to win the majority votes in the elections. Why?
No, we didn't say that. We didn't say that we don't want to win the elections.
I
we
have
want
read
to win
that.
the elections, but...
Not the ruling party, though.
Well, what we said is a little bit different from what you're saying now. We said in the beginning, in this period, in this environment, in this climate in Egypt, in the new freedom climate in Egypt, and the responsibilities are too big. The obstacles are too big. Egypt now is in a sort of a narrow-escape position. So no single party or movement, Muslim Brotherhood or others, our party or others, no single party or movement can claim now they can manage to take the responsibilities by themselves only. We think that this transition period, which may take about 5 years or more, needs all of us to cooperate, collaborate, being homogeneous together to carry responsibilities together. That's why we said we are limiting the number of nominees from our party in this election by 50%. Not more than this, aiming at having maybe 30-35% of the total number of seats. So this will be a strong seed. It will be a nucleus inside the parliament where others can come together and make a coalition together.
So you'd be happy with the coalition government?
Yes.
I see. Okay.
We think that the coalition government, coalition parliament, coalition coming together in the parliament, in the elections also, is more appropriate now for Egypt in this transition period.
I see. What about Syria? What do you think should happen in Syria?
Syria is a tragedy now. And the regime over there is criminal. They are now attacking people as if they're attacking enemies outside the country. They're using the armed forces to kill the people, to kill the Syrian people, to torture them. They're using cannons. They've been shooting the mosques. So it's a criminal act. We are against it. And we want the Arab world, the Muslim world, the world as a whole, to somehow cooperate in efforts to stop such an agony that's going on in Syria now. The blood is being shed everywhere. And the regime over there now should stop what is that they're doing now against the people. They should stop it. They're using the people money, the taxpayers' money, to kill the taxpayers by this money. And it's really a shame now that the world is just opening its eyes and saying few words, and there should be an interference to stop this killing acts that the regime is taking against the Syrian people. And I think the Syrian people will succeed. They will overcome the regime. Of course, they will pay much, as we can see now, of their souls and bloods, but they will win. And it will be soon. It will not be too late. It's getting too late for the regime itself. It's irreversible. It will not go back. But of course the price is quite high. We are feeling that our brothers in Syria are in a sort of a very, very bad